Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'll be unboxing this Apple Watch SE. The Apple Watch SE was launched alongside the Series 6 in September 2020, aimed to be a slightly cheaper way to get an Apple Watch while still offering the majority of the great features that are found in the Apple Watch Series 6. So, let's get straight into it. The model that I have is the 44mm space grey Apple Watch with the black sport band. This is also the GPS only model. Now let's open it up. So we'll peel this pull tab, like so. There we go. Put that to the side. Alright, so now we can peel these pull tabs open, like so. And then, as you can see, we're greeted with the Apple Watch on top and then also the sport band. So we'll open this one up first. And as you can see, we've got some attachment instructions and we've also got the larger and smaller size of the band so it can fit most people's needs. So that's quite nice. So I'll put that to the side. And now we can open the Apple Watch SE. So we'll just pull it open. We can see we've got designed by Apple in California with some documentation and some quick start guides. Put that to the side. We've got the magnetic charging cable, and keep in mind this year it does not come with the wall adapter, so you'll need to source one separately. It's just a standard USB one, so you should have one lying around the house. And then we've got the Apple Watch SE itself in this little paper sleeve. So we'll just undo that, like so. And there we have it. So as I mentioned earlier, this is the 40mm space grey model. It looks very nice. So yeah, and as I said, you're not missing out on much. It's got the S5 chip and it's got most of the features of the Series 6. So it's an incredible value. So yeah, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.